This entire 3D website was created using AI. And the crazy part is I didn't animate anything manually. The character, the animation, and even the website itself were all created with AI. Let me show you the exact workflow so you can recreate this for any kind of website. Every great AI-generated design starts with a good reference. Instead of creating a character from scratch, I first looked for inspiration on platforms like Pinterest, Freepik, ArtStation, and Google Images. After finding this futuristic humanoid robot, I used it only as a reference to guide the AI toward the style I wanted, not to copy the original design. Next, I uploaded the reference image into an AI image generator and used a detailed prompt asking for a sleek humanoid robot with metallic materials, glowing energy accents, cinematic lighting, and a premium futuristic look. The result was exactly what I wanted, but there was one problem. It was only a static image, and a static image won't create an engaging scroll animation. So the next step was turning it into a video. For that, I'm using Google Flow. I pasted the animation prompt, uploaded the generated image as the reference, selected the aspect ratio, 16:9 for YouTube or 9:16 for Shorts and Reels, then chose the duration and generated the animation. After a short wait, the AI produced a smooth animated version of the character, which instantly makes the final website feel much more premium. Now it's time to build the website. For this project, I'm using AntiGravity. I created a new project, uploaded the generated video into the assets, and pasted my complete website prompt into AntiGravity. Before generating the website, make sure you replace the placeholder values with your own company name, headings, descriptions, and branding so the final result matches your project. Once everything is ready, generate the website. It will ask some questions from you. After answering them, let AntiGravity build the complete landing page. Within a few minutes, the website is ready. But the best part is the scroll animation. As I scroll through the page, the character animation stays perfectly synchronized with the content, creating a premium storytelling experience. And when I scroll back up, the animation plays in reverse, making the interaction feel smooth and polished. If you want to recreate this exact project, I've included every prompt I used, including the character prompt, the animation prompt, and the complete AntiGravity website prompt. I didn't put the full prompts on the screen because they would be difficult to copy. So just comment 3D below and I'll send you the complete prompt pack. And if you enjoy AI web development tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe because I've got many more creative AI workflows and website tutorials coming soon.